Please install the board with the PC turned off. If you connect it to a small slot like this, the board will not be able to perform properly, so please use it in accordance with the PCIe slot size and specifications. After inserting correctly, tighten the fixing screw. And connect the 6-pin power. For CXP6 board, use the DIN connector cable, and for CXP12 board, use the micro BNC connector cable. Connect in 1, in 2, in 3, in 4 on the board. In case of camera, in the order of ABCD or channel 1, channel 2, channel 3, channel 4, please connect. Please note that the terms to call channel number are different per manufacturer. I will use Adimax CXP6 camera for now. As you can see, there is no marking on the camera and the arrow mark is indicating channel 1.